Hi, my name is Dave December. I'm here at Martin Implement, one of the sites of 37 in North America for our Super Boom Roadshow with New Holland Construction. We're really excited to be at Martin Implement though. They have a skid steer challenge that's going on right now where competitors are on an obstacle course, a timed course. And when they win, the winner today is going to take home $500 and a trip to GIE. And the reason we're doing all this is obviously the launch of our new 200 series skid steer and compact track loader. This new machine is bigger, it's badder, and it's better. It's bigger. We have a longer wheelbase combined with an already low center of gravity makes this the most stable machine on the market. It's badder. This is the toughest, meanest looking machine in the business. And it's better. We have more than 4 times the visibility to the side that we had previously, which makes this machine simply outstanding.
I'm Bob Novak, the Vice President of Martin Implement Sales. I'm one of the timers for the Roadshow course, the Skid Steer Challenge today. The first part of the course, the competitors have to thread a PVC pipe that's taped, attached to the bucket through small openings. The second part of the course would be winding your way through a series of cones, orange cones that are placed on the course. And the last part of it, you have to reach the end point here. You have to back up to a predestined level without hitting a pole behind you, and then come forward and dump over this up here, a PVC pipe, without hitting that. And once the bucket bottoms out, you're done.
Quickest time so far is a pretty speedy 55 seconds. The leader early in the day was Pedro Rivera at a minute, and I didn't think that time was going to be beat. And then Don Dahl came and sped through it, and I thought that was going to be for sure the winner. But then we had Joel go just about an hour ago, and that time looks pretty untouchable, but clearly I've said that 2 times before.
The winner gets a $500 gift card today, and then the second and third place finishers get gift cards as well. And the winner gets a expense paid trip to Louisville, Kentucky in the fall to compete against the 34 other champions. And the grand prize winner then will win a skid steer loader for their company and a $5,000 gift card for themselves.
It was also nice to have the Red Cross out here. We thought it was very generous of New Holland to make a commitment to donating $500 to every one of these road shows throughout the country. So we felt it was something that we wanted to try to do here also. And all of our employees that are out here today have donated their time, and in turn we've made a donation of $800 to the Red Cross on behalf of the Martin Implement employees.
On behalf of the American Red Cross, thank you so much to New Holland Construction and also Martin Implement for your support of our efforts today.
You know, Martin's been around for 66 years. We've got Metro Chicago. You couldn't ask for a better territory and a better group of customers. Raffle-wise, we've given off probably 100 prizes. I volunteered to go in the dunk tank, probably more than what I should have. I feel like I'm still underwater. But raised a lot of money, had a lot of fun, just a great event.
And we've had 98 competitors come through, and you know who's been the best? Joe Perino. He is the champ. Joe will be representing all of you at the finals in Louisville. So hopefully he's going to go there and win the skid steer load.
My name's Joe Perino of Perino Brothers Incorporated. I've been operating a skid steer for about 25 years with several different companies. I've dealt with Martin Implement of Orland Park for the past 20 of those 25 years. And I'm just ecstatic to be going to Louisville in October here. Can't believe I came in first, but everyone's got a shot at it because it was all real competitive operators out there, all within seconds apart.
I think just shows the customer base that we have, the active customers that view Martin Implement as a good supplier that want to do business with us. So, I think in addition to what's taken place today, this will have a great carryover, and I'm sure people will talk about it from time to come.